Hi everyone, welcome back to Chinaza's Life, where we talk about all things lifestyle, fashion, content creation, hair, beauty, all that and more. If you're tuned into my channel for the first time, I want to say welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back for yet another video. Y'all see how I'm cheesing so hard right now, right? Like, I feel like I seen a tweet somewhere and it was like, nobody's skin shines brighter than black girls who just finished getting their hair braided. In this case, I didn't get my hair braided, but I got it twisted, but technically there's a braid in it. But the point is that y'all see that I got this new hairstyle, and that is what this video is about today. So without further ado, y'all, let's go ahead and get into these short fashion twists. Hey guys, here's a quick rundown of all the products that I'll be using today. We have Jamaican black castor oil water to detangle, and then we have coconut hair lotion to moisturize my hair. A detangling brush as well as a rat tail comb are super essential. And of course you'll need some hair clips just to keep, hair out of the way, and also just make it easier when it comes to parting and making sure your parts are nice and clean. I will be using the crochet method, so you'll need a crochet hook just like this one. And then I'll be using this gel just for an extra hold when it comes to parting my hair. This Jamaican black castor oil is going to be going on the rubber bands that I'll be using, because I'm also using the rubber band method. And since this is a shorter style, you're gonna need some hair scissors. The hair that I'll be using is the brand Harlem 125, and this is their Yaman 3x Afro Kinky hair. And the color that I'll be using is T1B/30. This hair was really soft and manageable, so I definitely recommend it. So let's go ahead and get into this hairstyle. So we're starting off with clean hair, just going ahead and detangling using the As I Am Jamaican black castor oil water, and then just detangling with my detangling brush. Next up, I'm going ahead and working in this Jamaican mango and lime moisturizing hair lotion into my hair and just putting it all through. I'm now adding Jamaican mango and lime black castor oil onto my rubber bands, and the purpose of this is to prevent breakage for my hair when I'm parting it. And now it's time to section. As you can see, the rat tail comb and the hair clips are now in use. If you want your hair to look really, really neat, definitely take your time when it comes to sectioning, because trust me, it's worth it in the end. I'm now adding on Soft Sheen Carson Let's Jam Extra Hold Gel onto each of my parts, and honestly guys, you can make your parts as big or as small as you want to. I kind of knew what size I wanted in advance, so it was easy for me to make the parts all the same size. Now it is time to add in these rubber bands that again have oil on them to coat and protect my hair from breakage, and I'm going ahead and wrapping that around my hair tight but not too tight, and I'm wrapping it around 4 times in total. Ooh. Wow. When it comes to installing and cutting, I would recommend that you go row by row, just so that you're better able to see how the hair is going to naturally fall and able to cut accordingly. So I've now finished one side, but I'm going to go ahead and switch over to my camera to show you guys more in detail the step-by-step crochet process. Hey guys, so I am back again, and this is actually the next day. We have about 7 pieces that are left, and I'm ready to go ahead and finish. I'm going in with some more of that Let's Jam, just because these are the front pieces and I want them to be super sleek since they are the most seen pieces of hair. So again, going ahead and wrapping this around 4 times. This hair was very fluffy, so to prevent it from getting stuck in the crochet hook, I'm just going ahead and adding in some jam. When you're going in with your crochet hook, you're going to want to make sure that it's open like so. Now that your hook is open, you'll go all the way through the bottom of your hair, and once it's all the way through, you're going to latch the hair onto it and close the needle. Make sure that it's closed, guys. This is super important so that it doesn't pull at your hair. And you should be able to pull it through all the way, and notice how I have my thumb inside of the whole hair. You're going to want to only pull one side of the hair all the way out. And you should be able to do this moving motion with the hair. I'll actually be adding in an additional piece of black Marley hair, and this is only because I wanted it to blend better with my roots. So I'm going ahead and doing the same thing. This was way easier to latch on since it was a thinner piece of hair, but again, just pulling it all the way through, putting my thumb in between the loop, pulling out one side all the way to the bottom, and lastly, making sure that this hair can also move freely. So as you can see, my hair is now separated in 3 sections, my actual hair and 2 sections of the blended Marley. And I'm actually only braiding downwards once, and then I'm going to go ahead and begin twisting. I do like to go ahead and add in some jam just to better blend in my hair, and I'm actually wrapping around my hair so that none of my actual hair is showing. So you'll go ahead and just keep on twisting until you reach the bottom. Now you'll go ahead and grab up your rubber band and also grab a piece of hair from the other side that's kind of in the same location, kind of measure them both out and put them line to line together so that you'll know exactly where you should be cutting. As you can see, I'm now adding in the rubber band, and I think that I wrapped this around 3 or 4 times, maybe 5 times, but basically I just wanted it to be thick enough to the point where it just has a very nice distinction. And then you're gonna go ahead and cut. Some people did this on an angle for a more blunt look. I went ahead and just did it straight for a more relaxed look. And here is the finished product, y'all. I'm loving this hairstyle. It was literally so easy to do and very beginner friendly. Isn't this hair so cute, guys? I feel like, oh. And y'all, this hairstyle is literally not painful either. Even if for whatever reason I want to redo one, it's super simple to redo, especially since I put the oil over on the rubber bands. I feel like that was a game changer. I hope that you all were able to enjoy this video. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any questions regarding the installation of this hair. It took me 2 days only because 1, I was busy, I was working on something, and then 2, I ran out of hair today, so it took longer than I literally had like 5 pieces of hair left. And if you're not following me over on Instagram, I had people over on Instagram kind of guessing what hairstyle I was doing next. So this is just a reminder that if you're not following me over on Instagram or over on Twitter or over on Pinterest or over on Clubhouse, I want to plug that there too. If you're not following me over on any of those social platforms, my name is the same across the board, which is Chinazaz Life, so definitely make sure to connect with me over there. If y'all are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure to pause this video and go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, y'all, make sure to turn on them post notifications so that you can be notified when I am posting a new video. Let me know down in the comment section below if there's any video ideas that you guys have for me or that you'd like to see from me content-wise, especially during this month of December. Let's close out 2020 strong. And that's all I got for today, y'all. 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 Hey, hey. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope that you're back for the next one. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay prayed up, and I'll see you back for my next video.